As homeowners invest more in modern, clutter-free kitchens, the demand for undermount kitchen sinks has surged. These sinks sit below the countertop, offering a sleek look and easy cleanup. This guide evaluates top undermount sinks based on material quality, depth, noise reduction, ease of installation, and value. Whether you're a home chef or just want an elegant upgrade, these options offer durability and style without compromising functionality. List none. Kraus Standard Pro 30-inch undermount single bowl 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink, KHU 100-30. The Kraus Standard Pro 30-inch undermount sink delivers premium performance at a reasonable price. Built from true 16-gauge stainless steel, it's highly resistant to dense and daily wear. The deep 10-inch bowl offers ample room for large cookware, making it ideal for avid cooks. Its noise-defend soundproofing pads and undercoating ensure a quieter kitchen experience, while the commercial-grade satin finish resists rust and stains. List number 2. Kraus Core Workstation 32-inch undermount 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink. The Kraus Core Workstation redefines functionality by integrating a full culinary workstation into a sleek undermount sink. Constructed from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this 32-inch sink features an integrated ledge that supports sliding accessories like a cutting board, roll-up dish rack, and strainer. Ideal for small or modern kitchens. It maximizes space and efficiency. List number: Kraus KHU 132 Standard Pro 16-gauge undermount single bowl stainless steel kitchen sink. The Kraus KHU 132 Standard Pro is a larger alternative to the KHU 130, offering a 32-inch width for more kitchen tasks. Crafted from industrial-grade 16-gauge stainless steel, it's built to handle heavy use with ease. The oversized single bowl is perfect for soaking, scrubbing, and washing oversized cookware. With sound-dampening pads covering 80% of the sink and non-toxic undercoating. List number 4. Kraus Quarza 31-inch undermount single bowl granite kitchen sink in black onyx. The Kraus Quarza 31-inch granite sink brings an elegant stone-like aesthetic to your kitchen. Made from a proprietary granite composite, it resists scratches, chips, and thermal shock, offering durability that rivals stainless steel. Its black onyx finish adds a bold, contemporary touch. The sink's single bowl design is both spacious and practical, and its gently sloped base ensures optimal drainage. List number 5. Suncano Undermount Kitchen Sink 32 by 19 by 10 inch Stainless Steel Large Single Bowl Workstation Sink. The Suncano 32 by 19 inch workstation sink offers unbeatable value and thoughtful design for busy kitchens. Made from durable T304 stainless steel with a 10-inch depth, it accommodates even the largest cookware with ease. Its integrated ledge supports included accessories like a cutting board and roll-up drying rack, making food prep and cleanup more efficient. With anti-condensation coating and thick rubber padding,